guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a brand new video for you, and yes, I got my Liveglam Morphe Me and the Lippie Club, which they kind of put it in a Morphe Me bag. I don't know. Anyhow, before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload video, as well as follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Like I said in my other video, I am super hyped, okay, because I had coffee. I don't really drink coffee like at all, like normally, but when I do, I'm very hyper, but it's like me just 10-20 times like faster. Like, I don't know. Let's get into these. If you don't know what this is, Liveglam Morphe Me and Liveglam the Lippie Club is a Liveglam subscription. It is a $19.99 a month. So phone, come on. Anyways, it is a $19.99 a month, basically $20 a month beauty subscription. You get it's a brush club subscription and a Lippie Club subscription. They do have a eyeshadow palette subscription, and I found out that that's actually every 2 months. It's not every month. So every 2 months they pop out with the new eyeshadow palette. So I did pick up, like today I did purchase the eyeshadow palette because I liked it, and I was like, I need to get that in my life. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep the subscription, but I got that eyeshadow palette. I can't wait for it to come so I can tell you more about it. And I'll probably insert a picture up here of what it looks like, because oh my god, I had to have it. Taco Tuesday, come on, let's go. All right. So this is what it is, and the value of the products is always going to be over $30. So I will always get a $30 worth of brushes, and the lippies always over $30 because the lippies are $10 a piece. So you're going to get 3 lippies in here. All right, so let's jump into it. I think this one might be my brush. So let's check it out. It is it's Seashells. I'm sorry, I'm so hyper. Seashell Stories, March 2021, Liveglam Brush Club. Oh my god. I love this picture. And she has a daisy on her. Oh my god, it's all about me, right? Okay, so yeah, brushes are like seashells in the sand. We collect them along our way. Let's celebrate our March 2021 Brush Club collection. Seashell Stories with 5 uniquely beautiful brushes, each with their own story and purpose. We're sure you'll fall in love with these Fihi treasures. A large soft fan, an oval shadow, pointed liner, crease, precision blender, and detail liner. May these shells remind you of the treasures in the simple things. Of course, always share it and always tag Liveglam fam. So Liveglam, I love you. So for this month we got 5 brushes. Okay, and of course, you know, I'm always gonna put the retail value of each brush down here, and at the end I will tell you how much the box was worth. Well, the bag was worth, okay? Alright, so here are the 5 brushes. I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the plastic, which I do love that they are sealed in the plastic, so you're not going to get the brushes out of it. So that's what I love about this subscription, that they are sealed. Okay, alright, so here it is, the 5 brushes. We're going to talk about this one first. This is the M310 Large Soft Fan. This feathery light fan brushes with just enough fullness to sweep on highlight, and this is what it looks like. Of course, with Morphe, it's gonna say Morphe here and the number. So let's see how this brush is. Ooh, okay, I think I might have this one, I'm not for sure, but these are really nice for a nice sweep of highlight. So I do enjoy that, and I do like this because it tries to keep its shape in there. So yay for this one. Next product we have here, and this is one of my favorite Morphe brushes. This is the M167 the oval shadow. You'll only have eyes for this high performing synthetic brush that has the blending power of natural bristles. Now this one, it is like a flat brush. That's what it looks like, and I love this because it does pick up pigment when you want to add shimmer on your lids, or this is a great concealer brush as well to get the concealer in those tough spots. So this is actually one of my favorite brushes, and I'm not mad that this is a repeat because I do enjoy this brush, and it's time to replace it anyway. So here's a replacement. So the next product here is the M443 pointed liner. Whether you're a cream or gel kind of babe, this liner brush is all about details. Oh my god, I'm excited to get this because I have been seeing some there's like some video that's going around where this girl is like literally just with like brushes like this that are finely detailed like that she was just making lines and, you know, like very colorful lines and stuff like that. And I do want to practice stuff like that, but I know I need very good gel liner products. So if you know any good gel liner products, let me know, that like are in pots and I can dip and I could just like practice. Let me know because I haven't found any. But that is a good brush for that detail type thing, because I am trying to practice on wing liners and stuff like that. Still scared of it, as you can tell. I know I hardly do it. Okay, so all right, then the next brush here is the E17, one of my favorites. This is a crease precision blender, a crease brush that tapers to a defined point for targeted placement. So here it is. This is what it looks like. This is one of my favorite brushes that definitely I put this when I pick up product mattes or whatever. I definitely use this in the crease, and I tap. I don't blend or whatever. I just kind of like put the product in like that, just like this. And I love these types of brushes, and this line especially I love, and they're so nice and soft. So I'm excited to have this. Okay, and then the last product we got here is the M250 detail liner, your wingman for detail eyes looks. This synthetic brush gives you a total control in life and liner. So I got another detail one. This is so cool. I'm excited about that, and it is very very nice and fine. So definitely would do like really good designs and stuff like that. So I'm excited for that. So I got 2 detail brushes, and 2 for the eyes as well, for shadows or even concealer, and 1 highlight brush. So as always, I will let you know how much the brushes were worth this month, and I'm excited about this collection. Right, let's jump into the lip club, which I'm kind of like, it's odd that it's in a Morphe Me bag, so I don't know. And they both arrived at the same time. So yeah, I was excited that they both arrived together. Oh, this bag is cute. Let me show you the card first. Here it is. So this month is Forever in Fiji. Oh, beautiful. Get your beach on. Imagine getting lost in a paradise with white sand beaches and turquoise water. That's exactly how you feel with our March 2021 Lippie Club collection, Forever in Fiji. This collection brings us back to the place where summer never ends, with turquoise packaging. Each shade has us reminiscing of tan lines, beautiful Fiji beach, candy-colored coral reefs, and everything that's paradise defines. Time wasted in Fiji is well spent, so we might just stay forever. Show us your tropical looks on Instagram, of course. I will. All right, I'm excited. I did not change anything from this collection, so I got the whole collection. Here it is. Super cute bag. Oh my god, it does say Liveglam. This bag is really everything different than like, so it does seem like you are getting different color bags, because last month I think I got a black one, the month before that I got the gold one, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so here are the products. Ooh. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so the first color we see here is the Island Thingy. Due for an island getaway, this lippy screams vacay mode with its beachy nude matte shade. Okay, so again, it's called Island Thingy, and this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Love that. I love this. Okay. As always, it smells good. Here we go. Ooh, look at that shade. I do have, oh, it's kind of gone. Let's try this on top. I kind of just put it like in the center. Guys, this is a beautiful color. I do like this. I did have the Laura, oh my god, Dominique Cosmetic lip liner underneath that I got in my BoxyCharm Luxe. So, oh, I hope it doesn't wash me out, but it is a beautiful color. So I do like that. I love the Liveglam liquid lipsticks. They are they feel really nice on the lips and they stay on for a very long time. So this one has to be a matte, right? Yeah, this is a matte shade. All right, so the next lippy we got here, this is the Bungalow Babe. The Fiji water is getting nothing on this crystal clear coral pink lippy. Its glossy formula will have you shining bright as the sun. So this is what it looks like. So this is a gloss, guys. Ooh, okay. It smells really good. I like the doe foot applicator, so I'm probably not gonna see it, but it looks really nice. So I like that. Actually, let's add that. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna clean this up so it doesn't change the color of the gloss. When you have lip gloss and you don't want it to change color, make sure you clean it up before you put it back in the tube. So these are really nice. They feel really like and it doesn't feel sticky at all. Look at I like that. Okay, I like these two products. All right, and the last thing we got here is the Mint to Be Fiji's Essential. The sun, the sea, the sand, the scrub. Your tan may fade, but your lips will forever be gleaming. So this is a lip scrub. Look at that color. It has like a mint smell to it, which is good. I'm just trying to feel it in the back of my hand. Ooh, I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. Probably but it does have scrubby beads to it and stuff like that, and it smells so good. So definitely gonna try this out. I do have a few lip scrubs, but I like lip scrubs like this because then you can just go like, you know, you can just use it like that versus the ones that come in little containers where you have to like scoop it out and then put it on your lips, whereas this one is like no mess, right there on your lips. Awesome. All right, guys, that is everything that I got for my lippy collection. I am very stoked about this. This is such a beautiful color. I love colors like this, especially blues, purples too, purples, blues, and black. Purples, blues, and blacks are like one of my top favorite colors. So this is a beautiful turquoise color. Okay guys, that is all the products that I got this month for Liveglam. We got the Brush Club and the Lippie Club. Let me know down below, what did you think of this month's items? You know, like, did you like them? Do you think that this is something that you will be like into and, you know, check it out? Or, you know, like I said, the Brush Club is awesome to have if you are building up your, if you're building up your brush collection. Like, that's one club for sure to have, because like I said, I do have a bunch of these Morphe brushes, but some of them I do need to replace because I've had them for so long and I use them so much. Like, especially like this one, I hope that they bring this one, the E27. I need a new one. So Liveglam, if you're listening, I need a new one of these because that's my favorite blending brush. But anyhow, let me know down below, what did you think of this club? Do you like it? And things like that. All right, so like I said, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at The Soto Beauty Subscription. And that is it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Please be safe out there. Stay healthy, and always lots of love. Bye.